Good morning everyone. Today I'm at 6333 College Road Wave and I'm here with Christine, the listing agent of the 7111. Okay.
Okay, come on in, let me show you the property.
Yeah, let's come inside to have a tour.
So as we walk in here, the first thing we meet is a little this cozy kitchen, very cozy, small but intimate.
Ooh,
and around here, so you have a little breakfast area here.
Okay.
So right from the kitchen lead you to the very spacious living area.
Yeah, it looks very nice, the living room. And I can imagine we have like sofas here or maybe some television here. And I believe this is the half bath.
Half bath, yes.
Okay, yeah.
Half bath.
Okay, and this is the shoes closet or maybe like a storage. Ah, okay. Yeah, very nice. And how many square footage this house have?
It's 865 square feet.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look like 865 at all. It looks
It's
way
very
bigger.
spacious.
And I believe this is one of the condos that have 2-story. It's pretty rare nowadays.
Correct.
Yeah, so how about we come upstairs to see the other rooms?
Once you arrive here, we have our full bathroom over on this side.
Okay, yeah. It's kind of small. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, here you go. Yeah. Look quite nice, yeah? Very decent size and yeah, overall it's good.
So this is one of the 2 bedrooms that we have on the second floor here. This is a very spacious primary room. As you can see, we have a very big closet as well.
It's actually very huge, like all the way here and then very deep too. I love a bedroom to have like windows, you know.
Right.
So let's check out the second room.
So now we come to the second bedroom of these condos. This is the second bedroom, also very spacious.
Yeah.
And it's very bright too with the windows open.
Okay, and also have the closet. And is this closet coming with the listing too?
Yes.
Nice. So this room have double closets.
This one you will have a extra storage. Okay, this is all we have for you for this property. By any chance, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.
All right, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. It's nice to having you touring us around.
Thank you
so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.